Yo, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain how I prefer app review to see with what using. Just quickly dive into it. Help you decide if this app will be a game changer for you. So let's get started. The I prefer app rewards travelers who stay at a participating budget and a luxury hotel with peak like member only rate, free Wi-Fi, points towards free night. It's easy to use and has a nice extra for frequent guests. However, benefits aren't always guaranteed, and booking through their third-party sites often don't earn rewards. So in conclusion, it's worth using. The app is actually worth using if it's for loyal travelers within the network, but casual user may see the limited value, and that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more app review. You're welcome.